Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install LangChain in Jupyter Notebook. Okay. First up, open up your Jupyter Notebook. Now, once done, type in exclamation pip space install space LangChain. Okay. Just run it, and that's basically how you do it. If you want to add like maybe OpenAI, just type in pip install LangChain -open AI, right? It says here downloading. Just wait for it. As you can see here, it says successfully installed, and here we have LangChain. Okay, if you want to update it, you can go ahead and do so by just typing python.exe -m pip install --upgrade pip. Okay, if you want to continue installing the OpenAI, go ahead and type in pip install OpenAI. Okay, run it, and there you have it. But this one right here at the top is basically how you install LangChain in a Jupyter Notebook. Well, I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.